Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. It's been long time since I have uploaded a video or a remedy. This is a spiritual bath remedy which is a road opener. So if you are having a lot of blockages into your financial life, relationship wise and everything, nothing is sorted or nothing is aligned into your life, and also you are dealing with evil spirits, negative energy and black magic, okay, then this remedy is very powerful, okay. For this what you need hot boiling water, a glass of bowl, okay, 3 tea light candle, white, not red, not blue, not green, not yellow, 3 white tea light candle, okay. Mint powder, it is available on Amazon. Sage herbs, sage you will get on Amazon. Chamomile, chamomile is also a herb which you will get it on Amazon. Chamomile, the details are given in the description box below of the ingredients which I am using in this video, okay. What you need, wooden stick, it can be wooden spoon, it can be anything wooden, okay, just to mix the mixture, okay. And what you need, matchstick, okay. So what you need to do, you have to take this bowl first, okay, with a hot boiling water, okay. You can take a big bowl or you can take a small bowl, okay. Then you have to keep 3 tea light candle in a triangle position, one in the front, one on the right side of the bowl, the second one on the left side of the bowl, okay. Then what you need to do, you have to on it, you have to on this, you have to switch on this candle with the with the help of matchstick, okay. I'm not switching it off because I don't need to do it right now, but I'm just showing you the way it has to be done, okay. Okay. So what you need to do is that you have to switch on the tea light candles with the help of matchstick, okay. So what you need to do, hot boiling water, you have to keep it in the middle, and then you have to switch on the tea light candles, okay. Once that is done, what you need to do, you need to put in this hot boiling water, you have to put 3 to 5 spoons of sage herbs, okay. Since I have taken less water and I am just showing it for demonstration, but I am going to tell you that take 3 to 5 spoons, okay, small spoons, okay, from which we eat, 3 to 5 spoons of sage, and do it like this, okay, pour it like this is sage, okay. The next is you have to put it all these herbs into the hot boiling water, not the cold water, hot boiling water, okay. And then the next will be chamomile, okay, which you will get it. 1 second, guys. Okay. So this is also 5 teaspoon, okay, not less than that, 5 teaspoon, okay. But I am just using it to show you the demonstration. For you guys, you have to use it 5 teaspoons, 3 to 5 teaspoons, okay. The more problem you have, the more you can pour it. The less problem you have, the less, like minimum 3, maximum 5, or more than 8 to 10 also is okay, okay. The more it will be, the better it will be, okay. Now the third one ingredient is mint powder, okay. So this also you have to put 3 to 5 only, okay, 3 to 5 spoons, okay. The more you will put, the more effective it will be, okay. Done, okay. So the candles are already burning. I have not started it, but you have to light it out before pouring all these herbs into it, okay. So I've put it all the ingredients, the chamomile, the sage and the mint powder, okay. Now what you guys need to do, you have to take the wooden spoon, okay, wooden spoon, not the steel one, not the aluminium one, not any other spoon, wooden stick or wooden spoon. You have to mix it clockwise, thinking about all the negative energies is going around out from your body, from your mind is relaxed, happy, you are happy. No stress is there, no tensions is there, no evil spirits is knocking your head again, no negative energies into your body or into your head, okay. Now mix it anti-clockwise. All the positivity is coming into your life, all the blockages are getting removed from your body, from your life, all the financial problems are going out, financial abundance is coming in. Then mix it again clockwise. All the positivity is coming in into your life. Your happiness is your life. Everything is aligning. Everything is coming into your own favor. Okay. Now mix it anti-clockwise. Everything is going on good. Abundance is on the horizon. Life is going on good. Everything is changing in your favor. All the positivity, abundance, money, relationships are happening into your own favor. Everything is aligning into your own favor. Okay. So 2 times clockwise, 2 times anti-clockwise you have to do. Okay. Keeping your intentions clear. What are you? This is spiritual bath, how it is going to help you into your life. Okay. So yeah, this is done. The next thing what you need to do is that this tea light candle, until and unless it doesn't burns completely, it doesn't gets over completely on its own, you have to keep it like this only. Okay, you have to keep this bowl around this candles, and you have to keep it for an hour or so, until and unless this candles, tea light candles, doesn't gets over. Okay, after that what are you supposed to do? You have to say just one thing during this whole process, that I am going to invite all the ancestors, angels, guardians, and all the positive spirits to bring in a lot of positivity, abundance, problems to be solved automatically, and all the happiness should come into my life. All the negative energies, all the blockages should be removed from my body, from my mind, from my life, and all the happiness I should get into my life. That's it. You have to say it, and wait for 1 hour, 2 hour, okay, until and unless this tea light candle comes to an end completely. Okay. The next thing what you need to do, after once this tea light candle comes to an end, okay, you can throw it. Once it comes to an end completely, nothing, no wax is remaining, then you can throw it out. Okay. Then you have to take this bowl. Okay, you have to go to your bathroom, your washroom, wherever you take bath. Okay, wherever, whichever place you take bath, take this bowl with you. Okay, keep it aside. Okay, first of all, take a shower from a hot water. Okay, or a cold water. Take a shower from a hot or a cold water. Okay, just like this. Okay, and you have to have one white towel to just soak it up. Okay, so just white towel, keep it in the bathroom before only. So take this bowl, take a hot shower of hot or a cold water, then take this bowl. Okay, and pour it from your head to toe. Pour it like this. Okay, take this bowl and pour it from your head to toe, head to feet. Okay, that's it. And after that take the towel and just do not rub your body like this, don't do it. Just touch it, just give a touch, that's it, nothing else. Okay, don't do anything else, just give a touch, simple, nothing else. Okay, and if you wish to if you think that all these ingredients will create a lot of chaos into your head, because after that you cannot take another shower. Okay, you have to keep it for 24 hours. Okay, with this bath. So what you need to do, you can take something which only which can create all this, remove all this upper ingredients and throw it outside in a plant or somewhere else. Okay, and just take the water, like what we can call it is filter it with only water. Okay, only water comes, and only all these ingredients you can throw it in the plant, and then you can take shower. That also you can do if you don't want a lot of this ingredients should be there into your head. Okay, so in that way also you do. But after putting this bowl into your head, or after taking bath from this bowl, you cannot have another shower. You have to keep it for 24 hours. Okay, so yeah, that's a spiritual bath. Okay, if you don't like the ingredients, then you can filter it with water separate, and this ingredients keep it and throw it into a plant or something. Okay, that's it. This is a very strong, very strong remedy. Okay, I would urge everyone out there, you can do it. Okay, once in a week for at least 1 or 2 months, you will like it. And kindly share me your comments after using this remedy. From the second or third day, you will start feeling light, better, and things will start aligning in your own favor. Okay, so yes guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction, and kindly comment down below how was this remedy and how it helped you out. Okay, so bye bye guys, thank you so much. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, my tarot readings, you can check out in the description box below, or you can reach me out. Okay, the details are given in the description box below. Bye bye guys, thank you so much.